Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will be learning how to create a simple playbook file in Ansible. So let's jump into the practice. So here we have an Ubuntu instance with the super user access and the Ansible is already installed on this instance. So basically the first step in order to create a playbook file is to define that file. So we will be opening or creating a new playbook file named install. So we will type bi, which is basically the editor, and install is the file name, the playbook file name, and the extension would be YAML. So in order to create a playbook file, the extension is always used .yml, and I will press enter. So here we have entered a fresh playbook file which is empty. Now while creating a playbook file, there are basically three major sections in which the playbook is defined, or we can say divided. So the first section present is the host declaration. The second one is action or task to be performed. And the third one are the handlers. So basically, whenever defining a playbook file, these are the basic three components which are given in the playbook file. Along with these components, we can also use some advanced ones, but for this video, we will be using only these three components. So first of all, while defining a YAML file, we use three hyphens, and after that, for each specific section, we will be using a single hyphen. So for host, a single hyphen, after that we will type host and the number of hosts for which the YAML file is applicable. So I'll type all. So we are defining this YAML file for all the hosts connected to this Ansible environment. The second part is the task, and in the task I will define the name of the task, and let's say we are installing Nginx web server. So to perform that task, we will be using the apt command, and the package which we are installing is Nginx. The state in which the packet will be is installed. And one more thing we are defining here is to update the cache service. So we are keeping it as true. We will also notify the playbook file to start the Nginx server once it's installed. Now the third part of the YAML file are the handlers. So inside the handlers, we are specifically giving the services which will be handling the configuration file in all the hosts. So the services which will be handling it are, first of all, it's start Nginx, and the service name would be Nginx, and the state would be started. So here we have a simple playbook YAML file defined here, starting with three hyphens. In the initially, we have given the host declaration, which is for all. The second step is to define the task, which we have defined here, along with the notifier and the handler. And the third portion is the handler, in which we have defined the service which will be handling the whole configuration or the process of this YAML file. So once after creating the YAML file, we will save this file. So the file is saved, and this is how we create a simple playbook file in the Ansible environment. And that was all for today's video. Thank you.